So dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if Safari could not load your web pages, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to try, just open the settings. In the settings you need to find your Wi-Fi. So first thing, just check your internet connection. So just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. Also you can try to restart your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. Just try to turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi network. So after, just open mobile data or cellular data. If you're using mobile or cellular data, just turn it off and turn on again. So just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. If it doesn't help you, just go to the general, and in the general you need to find here shutdown. Just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just restart your iPhone. If you still have this issue, so just go to the general again. In the general you need to find reset and just now choose reset network settings. So if it doesn't help you too, you just need to try another way. So just go back to the settings, just find here Safari, and now just go to scroll down until you will see here clear history and website data. So just tap on it and just submit clear history and website data. If it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just find here block cookies. So here you can see it. Block sorry, it's not block all cookies. So just turn it off, turn it on and just try to use Safari again. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.